Welcome to the evolution of our Cayenne, effectively known as the Buggy. For 7 years as a trusted companion and proven performer, finishing on the podium the longest races of the world. Reimagined, reinforced, and rally ready. Every weld, every joint, crafted for strength and precision. This is the difference between surviving the Dakar and just showing up. The livery allows us to share our partners in this journey. The cage transformed the car's character, stiffening the chassis, sharpening its response, guaranteeing our safety should the unfortunate happen. The light bar, our own internal concept and construction, allows us to retain the use of the factory tow points and gives us the ability to maintain pace, even in darkness. For safety, we've removed the factory glass sunroof, replacing it with a metal plate. Inside, 6-point harnesses combined with FIA-certified racing seats gives us added confidence to push harder and faster than before. Rally Sport provided us with a Terra Trip, a computerized odometer to ensure that our pace notes and instructions are accurate and correct. The Dakar Classic regulations enforce the stock nature of the Cayenne. Suspension, engine, and gearbox are required to be original specifications. We've gone over it all, and everything is from the factory. This isn't just a regular SUV anymore. It's prepared and ready to be put to the test. We've already spent 30,000 kilometers competing in this car, and it is now ready for its journey to Saudi Arabia to embark on the next stage of its career, the Dakar. An ultimate test, a historical and epic event. The journey, it's not beginning, it continues.